Is your hosting or site slow? Let's fix it in 5 minutes. First, a before speed test. Note the high load time. Common culprits are disabled caching, an old PHP version, unoptimized images, and no CDN. We'll fix 4 things fast: caching, PHP version, image optimization, and enabling a CDN. Step 1. Enable caching in the Hostinger control panel and save. Step 2. Upgrade your PHP to the latest stable version for better performance. Step 3. Compress and lazy load images using the built-in optimizer or a plugin. Step 4. Enable a CDN to serve assets from servers closer to your visitors. Now rerun the speed test. See that load time drop dramatically. In 5 minutes, you go from slow to fast by enabling caching, updating PHP, optimizing images, and turning on a CDN. Want the step-by-step walkthrough? Tap the full tutorial link to follow along. Fix it now. Link below. Subscribe for more website speed tips.